Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP DeskJet 2624 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't really matter which one, and you want to search for HP DeskJet 2624 driver support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP DeskJet 2624, all-in-one printer software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to expand the area that says installation software and full/basic driver support. There should be an HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 2600 all-in-one printer series print and scan driver and accessories. Select download. And then once it's downloaded to your device, you want to go ahead and open up that file. And then you want to select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Should be from HP Inc. And then you want to configure your settings for your HP DeskJet 2624 printer by just proceeding on with this on-screen directions you see on my screen. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.